Uber Eats has become a popular platform for food delivery, connecting hungry customers with restaurants and delivery drivers. If you're considering becoming an Uber Eats delivery driver or already work for the platform, it's essential to understand the insurance requirements and options available to ensure you and your vehicle are adequately protected. In this video, we'll explore the insurance coverage you need for Uber Eats to help you navigate this growing gig economy service. Uber Eats Insurance Basics. Uber Eats provides some insurance coverage for its delivery drivers, but this coverage has limitations and specific conditions. The insurance provided by Uber Eats is structured in 3 phases, depending on your activity at the time of an incident. Phase 1. This phase applies when you are online in the Uber Eats app, but have not yet accepted a delivery request. During this phase, you have limited insurance coverage from Uber Eats, which typically includes liability coverage. Phase 2. Phase 2 begins when you accept a delivery request and continue through the completion of the delivery. During this phase, Uber Eats provides commercial auto insurance, which includes liability coverage as well as coverage for your vehicle and medical expenses if you are involved in an accident. Phase 3. Phase 3 extends the coverage from Phase 2 to when you're actually transporting the food and making the delivery. It's important to note that while Uber Eats provides insurance coverage during Phases 2 and 3, this coverage is typically contingent on you having your personal auto insurance in place. Uber Eats insurance acts as secondary coverage and only comes into play if your personal insurance denies a claim or doesn't provide adequate coverage. Personal auto insurance. Before you begin working with Uber Eats, you must have personal auto insurance coverage. In fact, Uber Eats insurance policy requires you to maintain personal auto insurance as a prerequisite for working as a delivery driver on their platform. Personal auto insurance typically covers you for personal use of your vehicle, such as commuting to work, running errands, and other non-commercial activities. However, it does not cover you for activities related to the business use of your vehicle, such as delivering food for Uber Eats. Your personal auto insurance company should be informed that you are driving for a ride-sharing or food delivery platform like Uber Eats. Some insurance companies offer endorsements or add-ons specifically designed for these situations, and others may require you to purchase a commercial auto insurance policy. Failure to inform your insurance company about your work with Uber Eats could result in denied claims, policy cancellation, or non-renewal, so it's crucial to be transparent about your gig work to maintain your coverage. Rideshare or delivery driver insurance. To address the gap between personal auto insurance and Uber Eats coverage, some insurance providers offer specific rideshare or delivery driver insurance policies. These policies are designed for individuals who use their personal vehicles for gig economy work and require additional protection for both personal and business use. Rideshare or delivery driver insurance policies typically offer coverage for the phases where Uber Eats insurance might be limited or secondary. This can include providing primary coverage during Phase 1 and extending to protect your vehicle, medical expenses, and liability during Phases 2 and 3. It's a good idea to explore this type of coverage, as it can provide more comprehensive protection for your activities as an Uber Eats driver. The specific availability of these policies may vary depending on your location and the insurance companies operating in your area. Commercial auto insurance. If you plan to work extensively as a food delivery driver for Uber Eats or other platforms, you may need to consider a commercial auto insurance policy. Commercial auto insurance is designed for businesses and covers vehicles used for business purposes, including food delivery. Commercial auto insurance provides broader protection and higher liability limits compared to personal auto insurance. This type of policy can also include coverage for various aspects of your delivery activities, such as accidents that occur while transporting food and collisions during restaurant pickups or drop-offs. When considering commercial auto insurance, you'll need to discuss the details of your Uber Eats work with the insurance provider to ensure your policy adequately covers your activities and potential risks. Understanding coverage limits. In addition to the type of insurance you need, it's crucial to understand the coverage limits provided by your insurance policies. Uber Eats insurance policy provides coverage, but these limits can vary by location and change over time. You should review the details of Uber Eats insurance coverage to ensure you have a clear understanding of what is included and any limitations. When selecting personal, rideshare, or commercial auto insurance, Pay close attention to the liability coverage limits. Liability coverage is essential for protecting you in case you are responsible for an accident while making a delivery. Higher liability limits can provide more substantial protection and help shield your personal assets in the event of a lawsuit. Consider additional coverage. Depending on your circumstances and needs, you may want to explore additional coverage options to enhance your insurance protection as an Uber Eats delivery driver. Personal injury protection, PIP, are medical payments coverage. These types of coverage can help pay for medical expenses for you and your passengers in the event of an accident. Underinsured, uninsured motorist coverage. This coverage can protect you if you're involved in an accident with a driver who has inadequate insurance or no insurance at all. Non-owned auto insurance. If you sometimes use a vehicle other than your own for deliveries, non-owned auto insurance can provide coverage for accidents while driving that vehicle. Umbrella insurance. Umbrella insurance offers an extra layer of liability protection that can be valuable if you need higher liability limits than what your primary insurance policies provide. Conclusion. Working as an Uber Eats delivery driver can be a flexible and convenient way to earn extra income. But it's essential to have the right insurance coverage in place to ensure you are adequately protected while delivering food. You must have personal auto insurance and be aware of Uber Eats insurance policies, depending on your needs and the extent of your food delivery activities. You may want to consider rideshare or delivery driver insurance, or even commercial auto insurance to bridge the gaps in coverage. Understanding your coverage limits and considering additional coverage options can help provide you with the peace of mind you need to focus on your work as an Uber Eats driver.